This is going to be a continuation of my last video where I was talking about AI and all the different. Like the problem is, get right back into it, and stuff we talked more about today is people are seeing AI. Someone gave a speech today at my Toastmasters club about they're afraid of if they were using it or getting caught, God forbid, getting caught using AI, it would be a sign of cheating and everything. But like really, if you think about what AI will do, if you just go to it, act like you answer question and answer thing, you're using it for like a glorified Google, that's not really cheating because you're not really gonna get the best results, the best outputs. You're gonna it's just gonna be like very simple, bare bones, the tip of the iceberg type of stuff, and it's not gonna move the needle for anything. What you get out of AI, it's not gonna. You have to put the effort in, train your AI, get to know it, let it get to know you, and that's when you start. The AI has to think like you. Once it starts doing that, once it can start thinking like you, being you, you can get a clone going, and then we can get into the topic of atoms versus bits. What do I mean when I say atoms versus bits? Atoms is very tiny, small particles that make up us, make up this thing here. That's an atom. Physical world. A bit makes up the digital world. Anything with a bit, once you've trained your AI to think like you, to act like you, to talk like you, to sound like you, then you can now train it to do things with bits. It's the bit version of you. And now you may be, this is sounding like very futuristic, right? Yeah, we're in the future. We're there. You ever remember George Jetson and they had their robot made? We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Except that robot, now, that robot was actually an atom that can do bit-worthy things. We're not quite there yet. That's coming. I've already heard talks about that stuff coming. That's coming. But atoms versus bits, train your AI to think like you, then you'd be amazed, like, that you want it to be almost like talking into a mirror. It's your mirror, it's your bit mirror. When you talk and look at a screen, and then the person talking back at you through that AI chatbot should be you. And it will be you when you start to train it with everything that is about you. Talk like kind of like what I'm doing here. I'm talking to a camera, but kind of like what I'm doing here. Speak to, go on a walk. Speak to your AI every day, and just talk to it, and you can train it just like that, just by speaking to it, and that's what will help you train your AI the best. Like, it's coming, you gotta lean into it, you gotta start. Yeah, I'm back to my wobbly pole. The other one broke, I was messing with it and it broke. I'm just walking back on this park. Figured I want to walk down the sidewalk. I haven't been in a little bit, but like, I was amazed in this last week, and I was sitting in the AI Advanced Summit. Dean Graciosi and Tony Robbins, thank you for putting that on. Shout out to them and the AI Advantage. Learned a few things this time. I took notes. I have a transcript. If you're interested, share this comment, like this, and I can share. I'm an open book. What I know, I can tailor everything to you. I got on and as well as 600,000 other people. But yeah, that's how you move with AI. You're not gonna do. I'm gonna just go right here, and that's, if you're interested for more, I'm just gonna go to the tip of the iceberg. What they talked about. The using of AI is in 3 levels. Level 1 is the answer level. You're answering a question and you're getting an answer. That's it. Question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. That's level 1. Level 2. Now, in this level, you start seeing your model, your AI chat, as a thinking buddy, a thinking partner. That's level 2. And level 3, you get a clone. You're in agent mode now. You can develop an agent. I'm pretty much at level 3 now, developing an agent when I have myself. And when you can get it to think like you, and you're confident that your agent will be you with doing stuff, boom, you can get back a lot of time that it takes by just doing certain things. And if there's certain things you like, don't delegate that to AI. You do what you like, and you let someone else take over what you don't want to do. And that's it. What this is, they always say, is AI replacing me? No. But it will replace you with someone who knows it. So use it. Use AI. Learn it. Train your model, whatever it is, and stick with that one. Use that same one. Don't change over. Yeah, there's certain ones that are good for different things. I like Perplexity. I like Grok. I like ChatGPT for certain things. Perplexity has 3-in-1. It actually uses a Claude model along with ChatGPT and along with Gemini. But with that said, like, share, subscribe. If you like what I'm talking about, let me know what else you want me to talk about. I'll talk about that too. But I'm wrapping up. It's about to get dicey here. But I'm about to get on the road. But if you liked it, again, share, like, comment, do those things. I'll see you in the next video.